Welcome back to the SM Auto Reviews. Today we are diving deep into one of the most talked about compact SUVs in the market, the Toyota Corolla Cross. This car has been making headlines ever since Toyota introduced it as a versatile crossover that combines the practicality of the Corolla with the toughness of an SUV. The Corolla Cross is aimed at drivers who want a reliable, comfortable, and efficient vehicle, but also crave the higher stance, extra space, and rugged feel of a crossover. When you first look at the Corolla Cross from the outside, the design is immediately recognizable as part of the Toyota family. It carries a bold front grille with a modern and sporty appearance, flanked by sleek LED headlights that give it an aggressive yet refined look. The body lines are smooth, with a slightly muscular profile that enhances its SUV character without overdoing it. The alloy wheels, available in different sizes depending on the trim, add to its stylish appearance. The higher ground clearance compared to the Corolla sedan gives the Cross a more commanding presence on the road, and features like roof rails and cladding. Around the wheel, arches emphasize its practicality and readiness for adventure. Moving to the interior, Toyota has done an excellent job of blending comfort, quality, and usability. The cabin is spacious, with ample headroom and legroom for both front and rear passengers. The materials used in the dashboard and seats feel premium for its class, with soft touch surfaces and high-quality stitching on higher trims. The driver's position is elevated, giving better visibility, and the ergonomics are thoughtfully designed so that all controls are within easy reach. At the center of the dashboard, you get a touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring connectivity is seamless. The instrument cluster is clean and informative, and in higher trims, you may find a digital display that adds a modern touch. The cargo space at the back is generous, making it practical for family trips or grocery runs, and the rear seats can fold down to expand the storage capacity even further. Under the hood, the Toyota Corolla Cross comes with multiple engine options depending. That's all for today's detailed review of the Toyota Corolla Cross. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SM Auto Reviews for more in-depth car reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.